morning, everyone. So for today, I'm going to discuss VLOOKUP. So here in this sheet, I will show you how we will do VLOOKUP. In this example, you can already see that all of the data are already inputted. But what I will do is I will erase the formula and then redo it. Before I do that, let me just show you that whenever I change the customer ID, like for example, I change it to 1002, it would show the information for this customer. Or I change this ID to 1007, and then it will show me the customer information for Kevin. So how do we do that? Okay. We start off by writing a formula. So when you write the formula for VLOOKUP, you start with an equal sign, and then you type in VLOOKUP. So as always in Excel, there is an explanation for the type of formula you will be using. So VLOOKUP looks up for a value in the leftmost column of a table and then returns the value in the same row from a column you specify. So open, and then now it asks me for the lookup value. Earlier, I was putting the customer ID here, so the lookup value is located in cell A3. So I will just click cell A3. That is where the lookup value is located. Then after that, separator, comma. And then after that, table array, which is the range. So I will just highlight the range. In this case, it is A6 to I83. And then another separator, comma. And then now it asks me for the column index number. Since we are in column B, this is the second column from leftmost value. So I will just type in number 2 since this is the second column. And after that, I will close the formula. So notice that whenever I change the customer ID, it will now reflect who the customer is. Okay. Now, you would probably think that we will just have to paste or copy and paste the information here. But there is going to be a problem if we will just copy and paste the information. As you can see, some of the data here in does not match with what customer Chad has. Like for example, Chad paid us through GCash, but on the result, but in reality, he paid Marybank. Transaction code is 212135160, but in reality, it is 654321332. The problem is that when you drag the formula right away, the formula's range also moves. Just like what we see here, the formula range started from C6 to K83, which shouldn't be. It should start from cell A6 to I83. So how do we solve that problem of the formula moving along as you copy it? What we have to do is lock the formula. So when I say lock, I will just be adding dollar signs. So in this case, cell A3 will be $A, $3. Cell A6 is $A, $6. Cell I83 is $I, $83. Okay? And then I will retain the column number. Press enter. After the cells have been locked, we can now drag the formula. Notice that when I switch to different parts, it has already locked the range. The only thing we will be changing now are the column numbers. So this is column C, which is column number 3. This is column D, which is column number 4. Column E, 5. Column F, 6. Column G, 7. column H, 8, and then column 9 is I. For the amounts, we will just change the format to, let's say, we will use currency. And then in currency, we'll just select the dollar sign. Since this example is for a US-based company, dollars. And then time of day, of course, we change the format to time. So there you have it. Whenever I change the customer information, I will be getting now the accurate data. That is VLOOKUP.